Hello everybody, welcome to another vlog. Hope you can hear me because today is force wind 8. This is how bad the weather is here, and I'm going to go down there hopefully safely to check this area out. I will not go to the edge because it's too much, but look at this here today. The sun just came out. There's a lot of rain coming from there. Today I am in full gear with even the trousers, but let's make it down there. So now I'm checking the weather, and temperature is 13 degrees and it's force 8. It's northwest, but let's try to get down there, hopefully get a glimpse of the sea if I can go that close. Always safety will be number one, and speaking of safety, I have to think as always Zoleo, my SOS device and satellite communicator. The wind is making it hard to walk. Sometimes it pushes me back, and if it can't push me that I am so heavy, imagine some of you. But there's something very relaxing when you see the rough weather, and it's cold. I don't know how far I can go down because it's very rough, you see. But let's try. Look. No, let's go down this stairs. I have even waterproof trousers today. I'm checking them out, so when I go Everest base camp they are tried and tested. And this is il-Ferha. We are going down sea level, hopefully. I think it's going to be super rough. It is super rough. Wow! Look at that. Now we're going inside the valley. How beautiful it is. And look at the sea down there. I'm not sure how close I can get. Sometimes I have a break in wind here, maybe because I'm sheltered here. But the sea super rough. Now we're inside the valley. There is this sheltered valley here. I think this one, it will be nice for a camping spot. Look at the sea up there. It's crazy. I will not go so close, I think, from here. But look, and hope I not get in the rain. Let's go down. Today I think I am the only crazy car here, because there's nobody. I'm getting close, huh? So very important, I don't want to end up in this here. Let's check. Look how rough it is, huh? It's around 2 meter waves. There's this small pool here. Normally I walk up to that area there. Maybe I can go down this stairs and maybe till here or maybe here maximum, because the more I go, I don't want the free wave to come and carries me down there. It's true that today I want to test all my waterproofs, but I don't want the in this here on land. And you have even to take a little bit care, because here it's very slippery. Today I also have the waterproof shoes. So the waves, they are scary. Here will be the maximum I go, but look, that was close, or that was close, but I think I am safe here. But look, huh? My heart is pounding, yeah? Look how bad it is here. So let's go up here. Like this. I should be super safe, huh? It's crazy, yeah? Because if I end up here in water, I will not survive. That's too rough. So better safe than sorry. So, how bad is it? Yeah? Either it's raining or it's the water, eh? You're right. I'll just go over there around here, look. Are out there, eh? How bad it is. This is what force 8 looks like, yeah, the wind. And 2 meter waves, I think, should be good. No, let's go on top again, because I'm getting wet now, because I have water, but look how well, it was good thing that I was not there. I was just not there. It's getting too crazy down here. I better start heading up. This could be very dangerous, and it's not worth it. Good thing I got up before. Look how good. Where I was before, I was full of water now. I think the weather is getting even worse now. So let's go up and check. Let's clean the lens. weather is getting crazy, so it's better to start heading up. And by the way, since I have some silence here, I want to thank all my viewers and wish you all and your families a big happy Christmas, and thank you for this year support, and even all my sponsors as usual. But it's getting crazy down there, but it's nice. I like seeing stormy weather, and even hope you can hear me at least. Look at so when we go up, we'll be hit with the full force of the wind again, and I have to take great care where I go to the edge. Always the wind must be pushing inland, because it's easy to topple me out. And I think it's raining now. Yes. Oops. You see the wind? Gust of wind is so strong. Just, yeah. And this was not staged. It is so strong that is toppling me over. It's crazy, today. So now I'm away from the sea, but still there's a big problem, because the wind will be stronger and I don't want it to push me out of the cliffs. And the sky is getting super dark. I think that's very easy. Going up here. I was going up there, but it's too dangerous. I went this way because it's going this way. Stand. Yeah, I think better is to head that way. How windy it is. So at the end, that's why I came here. Then it stops her. Then a sudden gust will come and it will topple you over if you're not. Yeah, like this. You see? I think next time I come like this, I will get my trekking pole with me. You get more stabilization. The gusts are crazy strong when they hit you. Hope you enjoyed this small adventure, because today I wish to come and check by myself and also test a little bit my gear. However, although I thought it's going to be rainy, but it's not. But down there was super nice. I cannot complain all the way here. So my jacket today, I'm wearing Mountain Hardwear Stretch Oceanic, something like that. I have North Face pants, and I have ultra all-weather to waterproof slippers, and I also have some North Face gloves. But now let's have a look from here, but I'm not going at the edge. This is how bad the wind is there up here. I can barely walk, yeah? It's crazy the wind there. One can barely walk up here. From the edge, and the wind is pushing this side, so if I fall backwards, not I fall down, eh? But I think now it's time to start heading to the car, eh? Let's go. Hope you can hear me. Thank you everybody. Hope you have a wonderful Christmas. Thank you Zoleo for supporting me all the year, and hopefully next year. And until next time, bye bye, yeah?